Hello students, myself Divyajog and welcome to Credence Digital Learning. So, as we have studied all the physical and chemical properties of the carbon compounds, we are going to discuss some uses of carbon and carbon in soaps and detergents in this video. As you see, soaps and detergents, they have a very typical structure and they work in a very interesting way. Like you must have seen that dirt, it is oily in nature. So as this oil, it cannot be dissolved in water. So we need some external cleansing agents to remove this dirt, such as soaps and detergents. Now let us see their structures one by one. So let us see the structure of soap first. A soap is a long chain of sodium or potassium salts which form long chains of carboxylic acids. Now each chain consists of one hydrophobic end and one hydrophilic end. Now this hydrophilic end is also an ionic end which dissolves in water, while the hydrophobic end it dissolves in the oil. So when we apply soap to the stain or the dirt present on the cloth, the molecules of soap, they form a very unique orientation. Here you can see that hydrophobic end, it will get attached to the oil, and the hydrophilic end, it will dissolve in the water. Now sometimes what happens, many of these molecules, they get attached in a similar way and they form a cluster of molecules. So this leads to the formation of the micelles. So these micelles, they stay in a colloid form in the solution. Also, they does not precipitate out. That means they does not